Good morning traders and investors. Welcome back to your daily Nifty analysis. Today, we'll break down the latest support and resistance zones, global market cues, and the possible direction for Nifty throughout the trading session. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our daily Nifty updates and expiry day strategies. Coming to global market overview, let's start with the global picture, which looks very encouraging today. US markets, US 30, closed 1.15% higher, signaling strong global sentiment. Asian markets are also trading in the green with around 0.71% positive, showing early signs of momentum continuing from Wall Street. European markets are flat positive at -0.23%, which means no major drag expected from their side. USD/INR remains stable, up just 0.13%, indicating no strong currency pressure. Crude oil is slightly negative at -0.58%, which is actually good news for the Indian economy. So overall, global cues clearly indicate a positive to very positive bias for Nifty today. Coming to technical setup now, let's analyze the technical chart with the key support and resistance levels for today. We have a strong base formation near S1, which is 25,051, and S2, which is 24,951. These levels will act as the first and second line of defense if Nifty dips during intraday movement. Further below, deeper supports are seen at S3 24,851, S4 24,771, S5 24,676, S6 24,596. These mark the lower extremes and are less likely to be tested unless the market turns unexpectedly negative. On the upside, here are the key resistances to watch. R1 25,216, R2 25,296, R3 25,386, R4 25,444, R5 25,519, R6 25,577. These zones will act as profit booking or breakout points as Nifty moves higher. Currently, Nifty is hovering near 25,120, slightly below the first resistance. If the index crosses and sustains above 25,216, we can expect a strong rally toward 25,300 to 25,380 levels in the first half. Coming to price action expectation, given the global positivity and domestic strength, Nifty is likely to open on a mildly positive note. We can expect an initial consolidation near the 25,150 zone, followed by upward movement if buying pressure continues. The key zone to watch is 25,216 to 25,296. A breakout above this band could push Nifty quickly toward 25,380 to 25,440 levels, which aligns with R3 and R4. Momentum traders can look for long opportunities on dips near 25,050 to 25,100, keeping a stop loss below S2, which is 24,951. If, however, Nifty fails to sustain above 25,150 and slips below 25,000, we could see short-term weakness, but that scenario looks less likely based on today's global data. Coming to sectoral view, sector-wise, IT and Bank Nifty are expected to support the market. Metal and energy might stay neutral, while auto and FMCG could contribute positively to intraday momentum. Mid-caps and small caps are also showing good strength, so we may see rotational buying continuing there. Traders should look for strong stocks near resistance breakouts and avoid chasing already extended stocks at open. Coming to strategy or conclusion, intraday strategy for today. Wait for a confirmed breakout above 25,216 to enter long trades. Target zones: 25,296, 25,386 and 25,440. Stop loss: below 25,000 on a closing 5-minute candle basis. For conservative traders, it's better to buy on dips near S1 and S2, provided global sentiment remains strong. Avoid shorting unless Nifty breaks below S3 24 851 decisively with volume. Coming to the final conclusion. Global cues, which is very positive. Technical structure also bullish with upward bias. Intraday direction for today is positive to very positive. So the market is aligned for a potential bullish session unless unexpected news flow or profit booking comes in during the second half. That's all for today's Nifty morning analysis. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your trading community. Let's watch how the market unfolds, and I'll see you in the evening for the post-market report to review how today's prediction played out.